All right, let's hear it for multi-step inequalities. Okay, so maybe you're not so excited. Okay, guess what? You got this. Okay, you have done multi-step equations. You have got to just put it all together, okay, in multi-step inequalities. You have got this. Are you ready? So let's start. I'll get through. We'll talk about, we're going to simplify if we need to, okay? We're going to isolate the variable and then solve, okay? We're going to sis this up, SIS. Okay, here we go. Y over -6 plus 7. Notice I'm not reading the inequality sign because I really want you to get in the habit, okay? So let's onion this. In fact, you know what? I'm even going to highlight. You want me to highlight our variable? Just like our little equations that we've been doing? All right, friends. Remembering if we divide or multiply, okay, that we might end up having to flip a sign. So just be aware. Okay, we've got our rules. So the first step we need to do is subtract 7. Subtraction property. All right. Y over -6. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, again. Okay, how do I get rid of this 6? Well, it's being divided, so I want to multiply. Multiplication property. Wow, did I multiply by a negative? I did. So, I got to flip that sign because of this negative right here, okay? So this goes away. So y is by itself. Yay! Flip this sign like that, and 2 times the -6 is -12. Awesome. Don't forget to graph. -12, open or closed? Open. Read it. Y is greater than. Greater is to the right. Okay? See, no big deal. You got this. Then you can go back and check your work if you want. Okay? Again, it's got to take less than 10 seconds in order to do it. Okay? So if you wanted to check your work, give me a number that's less or greater than -12. How about 0? 0 over -6 plus 7 is less than 9. Is that true? 0 plus 7 is less than 9. 7 is less than 9. Is that true? Yep. And I'm close on my time. All right, next one. Here we go. 2r minus 4 is greater than 8. Excuse me. Okay. All right, first step. You're right, add 4. Eight plus 4 is 12. All right, divide by 2. Good, division property. Now, did I divide by a negative? No, so I'm okay. I don't have to switch the sign. There's no alarms going off. Okay. 6, open or closed? Closed. R is greater. Greater. Okay? Again, check your work. Give me a number bigger than 6. How about 8? So plug it in. 2 times 8 minus 4 is greater than 8. 16 minus 4 is greater than 8. Well, what's 16 minus 4? That's 12. Is 12 greater than 8? Cha-ching! Okay. All right, are you ready? Now let's combine some of our other things. What do we do if we have variables on both sides? Okay, not a big deal. You have variables on 2 sides, here and here. So what are we going to do? Well, I always like to go with the bigger one and say red rover, send 2x right over. So I'm going to move the 2x first. And I'm not going to onion this until I get the variable on one side. Okay? So this I get 4x minus 5. Okay, now can I onion this? Sure I can. I'm going to highlight my x. Okay, how do I get rid of this 5? You're right, add it. 4x almost done. Get rid of that 4. 4 and x are held by multiplication. So divide by 4. Now wait, did I divide by a negative? No. Phew. Good thing I checked. Open or closed? Open. Read it. X is less is to the left. Give me a number that's to the left. Come on now, pick my favorite one. 0. Yeah, 0 is way down here, isn't it? So let's plug in 0 to this equation. Well, 0 times anything is 0. So this goes away. This goes away. Is negative 5 less than 11? Yes. But be careful. That almost took me longer than 10 seconds. And there's still some steps. So be careful that it's not taking you so long that you're losing, okay? That you're losing hope on that. All right? Yikes. What do I do if, for example, that I run into a problem like this? Okay. That's a 5, sorry. All right, let's distribute because that's part of the cis, the simplifying. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Wow, those are the same. So oh. Okay, well, I'm going to move it this way. So red rover, send negative 12n over. Yikes. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? This goes away, and I'm left with 4. This goes away, and I'm left with this. Is this true? Read it. 4 is greater than 5.2. Is that true? No, that's false. So we would say this is a no solution. So remember, no solution and identity are true statements. So let me show you another one just like that, okay? But this one will be a true statement, okay? Now be careful. This is, again, distributive property. This is why we move our variables first. Okay, Red Rover, send 10W right over. Once again, they go away, and I'm left with this. Now read it. Is -2 less than or equal to 7? Well, yes. Yes, it is. So, all reals, because it's all right. All right, friends, you're just applying everything that we talked about, the whole flipping, all reals, no solution. You're just applying the stuff that we've been practicing. Great job.